In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur video in Canva. First, open Canva and choose a video template that matches your project's aspect ratio. This gives you a ready-made canvas to work on, and you can add your footage to the timeline or replace the placeholder video with your own clip. Once your video is in place, press Preview to watch it from start to finish. As you review, note the exact moments and areas you want to hide, things like faces, license plates, or sensitive on-screen details. Pausing at the right frame makes your edits much easier. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left side of the editor. In the search bar, type Blur. You'll see blur graphics and overlays designed to soften or obscure parts of your video. Click a blur element to add it to your canvas. It will appear on top of your video as a draggable layer. Place the blur element over the area you want to conceal. Use the corner handles to resize it until it fully covers the sensitive part. If the subject is angled or the shape you need isn't perfectly horizontal, use the rotation handle to tilt the blur so it follows the angle of your subject. Keep adjusting the size and shape until it feels natural and fully blocks the content underneath. If the element supports cropping, you can crop its edges to better fit tight or irregular spaces. If the area you're hiding is especially wide, stretch the blur element horizontally to cover the full width of the visible content. After resizing, check whether anything is still peeking through. If part of the content remains visible, duplicate the blur element to create a second layer and place it right beside or on top of the first one. Align the duplicate carefully so there's no gap between the two blurs. Canva's Smart Guides can help you snap them into a seamless line. Click Preview to play back your video and confirm that the blur fully covers the intended area. If you notice edges showing or movement revealing a corner, stop the preview and fine-tune. Nudge the blur slightly, resize it a bit more, or rotate it to better match the angle. If a small part is still showing, move the blur element over that spot until it's completely hidden. When everything looks consistent in preview and the blurred area stays covered throughout, you're all set. That's how to blur video in Canva quickly, cleanly, and with professional-looking results.